Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and if it's your first time visiting, thanks for stopping by, and if it's not your first time visiting, thanks for coming back. Today I am going to do a video on how I'm going to put this word blessed on a pink dress that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to be using Glitter HTV vinyl. Okay, so I already sized it up how I wanted it. Okay, and this is a 10 by 6. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and go over to make it. I am using Cricut, and I'm using my Cricut maker to cut it. Then I'm going to make sure it's in the center so it won't cut off. The Cricut won't cut off under the letters. I'm gonna go ahead and mirror it because we are using heat. I'm gonna go ahead and push continue. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my Cricut and search for it, and then I just I got my vinyl right here. This is the glitter vinyl. You put the shiny side on the matte. The dull side is on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And then I'll be back to show you how I weed it out. So stay tuned. I cut my image on my Cricut maker. This is Siser Glitter Vinyl HTV. Or you can call it iron on it, whatever you want to call it. And here you can see the it's really hard to see from the front of the glitter. You turn on the back, and I weed it from the back. Sorry. And as you see, I didn't have enough vinyl, so it cut off a little bit of my bead, which is okay. This is my dress, so it's going to be okay. But you can see it cut off. So make sure you have enough vinyl when you when you cutting it. Just cut it a little bit bigger, okay? Because I done did that a couple times before, but I was just rushing. I always mess up on the video sometimes, but it's okay. It's still gonna look good, and I'm gonna it's for myself. So if I find a piece, I can just pull up on the vinyl. And with this, you really don't need this. After you get the first one going, the rest of it, you can just pop it up with your fingers, okay? I'm gonna show y'all how. When you use glitter vinyl, you really don't need that little tip, that little thing. Okay? The little Cricut thing. So you just can just pull it. And it's make a lot of noise. So just go ahead and pull it on through. Okay. I love the glitter vinyl. Like I said, I made a dress with the silver glitter vinyl, and I didn't want to put silver on this one, so I just put I just used black, and the dress is pink, so I think this would be cute. And I'll show you the other dress that I did in a few minutes. So right here, you see the inside of the bead. You can see now how it looks. And see now I still got to get in between the little letters, and what I need to do is just fold it a little bit, bend it, and just pop it on out. You can't really do this with the regular vinyl, but since glitter vinyl is thicker, you can go ahead and just pop it out. See how I just popped this out, and it's right here. So you can see I cut a little bit off, but it's okay. Won't be able to notice it on the dress unless you're really staring at me crazy. Just pop it on out. I'm just popping it on out. See how I bend it? If you got short nails like mine, you should be good. Okay. Just getting all little pieces out. Hey, I got a sweatshirt on and it's hot outside, but I'm freezing. I'll be in my basement. Our air is really cold down here, so I really like to stay warm. Usually I have my house coat on, but I said, no, let me take my house coat off so y'all think I'm naked. So I took my house coat off, put me a sweatshirt on because it's cold down here. But I love the cold in my house, but just not in the basement. It'd be really cold in the basement. Okay, so here we have it. It's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and go get everything set up with the heat press. Okay, first I want to show you the the dress that I already done. I did this one. Okay, and I love it. I got these dresses from Walmart. Okay, and I've been holding on to them for a minute. So I was like, let me go ahead and put something on it to show you how long it is. This is how long it comes to. Okay. So that's my first one I made, and I love that silver glitter, y'all. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So now I'm about to go ahead and do this one on pink. Okay. gonna go ahead first, get my lint roller and just get all the lint off the dress. They got pockets to this dress too, so that'd be cute. I think I'm going ahead because the first dress I did, it has a lining in the back and it basically printed. I mean, after I heated it, it went through the heat. The press went through the dress. I'm gonna put some paper in between it, so the heat won't make a line on my dress. Okay, so I found that. I figured that out in the last press I just did on that black dress. You know, you see everything on black. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Don't have to worry about any type of heat images on my dress. Let's see how big it is. Okay, that'd be fine. So I put it the long way so I can get most of the dress. So you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but like I said, it's got like a little lining in the dress, and I don't want that to come through like my other dress did. So this is just butcher paper. I got this from Sam's. I'll put all the links below in my description box. And I appreciate you all for rocking with me and watching my videos. I know I have a lot of videos, y'all. I have over 100 something videos, and I have over 65,000 subscribers here, and I appreciate you all. But sometimes I'm not able to get to all your comments. So if you have a really, really important comment, you can go ahead and just inbox me on Facebook. My personal page is Charmaine Galloway. Just inbox me. That's the best way, because I do go through my videos, but it takes me a while because I'm so busy. I have a full-time job, and I also do my designs for my business. I do a lot of orders, and I also do videos. You know, so I got a lot of stuff going on. So I'm sorry that I can't get back to y'all as soon as possible. But I do try to go through my videos and answer some of the questions when I have a little free time. And also I have a 10-year-old son. So that's about to be homeschooled. That's going to be a headache all in itself. So just be patient with me. And like I said, if it's very, very important, I try to do a lot of questions. Try to answer everything in the videos. But if I don't, just inbox me on Facebook. Please do not inbox me on Etsy, because that's my business page. That's just for my business. Do not inbox me on Etsy about questions about crafting, because that's for my business. And also, I'm gonna go ahead and press these wrinkles out first, y'all. I'm talking, and I can't do two things at once. I get distracted when I'm talking about something different. I'm gonna go ahead and press this for 5 seconds. I'm just gonna get in the center of the image in the middle. See how that line came up again? See all these lines? I don't like that. Really don't like that. It still came through, and I have paper on it. I think I'm gonna turn my heat down some. I really don't want to mess with my pressure, because my pressure is good for my sublimation. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just. I hate messing with my pressure. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Mess with the pressure, because I don't want no lines in my dress. No, I don't want to do it. If it got lines in it, oh well, it's mine. I just don't like mess with my pressure, because I'm really set. My pressure is really set for my sublimation. I'm doing really good. And if I turn that knob with my heat press, it's gonna mess up my how it's gonna be how the pressure is gonna be on my sublimation. I do not want to mess up, because I'm really doing good now. So let me just go ahead and just do it this way. If I get lines in it, oh well, I don't care. Hopefully it'll come out. I'm still gonna wear the dress. I just don't want to mess with that. I should just use this smaller heat press for vinyl, but it's so small. I just love using this because it comes out. This is the 15. This is 16 by 24. I got it from Heat Press Nation. I also got this one 15 by 15 for Heat Press Nation, but I'm always hitting my knuckles. But I really wish I could have two separate for my heat press for my vinyl and my sublimation, so I don't have to worry about keep on messing up my pressure, because it's a long time for me to get that right, and I don't want to. So yeah, this is my dress. So this line it's gonna be shown, but I don't care. It's a hard decision to make, y'all. But yeah, maybe the paper making it worse. Let me take the paper out, because the black didn't do that line. Okay, y'all. I just do things on video to show y'all what I'm doing, and I'll show y'all my mistakes. So just bear with me. And I know it's the pressure. If I bring it up some, it will work. It won't have that line in there, but I don't want to mess with it. Okay, like I was saying, just please, I'm gonna go ahead and just center this while I talk to you. But yeah, if you are my friend on Facebook, if I did friend you on my personal page, Charmaine Galloway, please, when I post images to sell, like my personal page is for me to show my images to sell to my customers, so they can so I can show it to them. Then I put it on my YouTube, I put it on my Etsy page. So please don't ask me. Don't put in my comments where you get the image from and how you do that. That's not a place to do that. The place to do that is when you in my group, where you can personally inbox me, okay? And I get back to you when I can. But please, I just think that it's so rude when people do that on my personal page, and I'm there trying to sell stuff, and they ask me questions about how I designed what I'm trying to sell. Like, come on now. So please, I would appreciate it if you don't ask questions about how I design my products on my personal page in the comments when I post them. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. So I'm gonna bring this up some because it's supposed to be 3 inches below the neckline. Take it from the right here and then measure from the outside, the image, the logo or whatever, and that's almost right. So I'm just bring it over a little bit, and I'll be set, y'all. And this is really sticky, so once you move this, you got to move the whole thing because it's sticky. The other one, the regular vinyl, you can just slide it, it would slide over, but this is sticky. That's like a, let's see, like a 4. A 4 is gonna be good enough, okay? So there we have it. I have the word. So that's on here. Let me show you how it looks. There we have it. It's right in the middle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. You don't have to cover if you don't want to, but I do just to keep my my up top of my heat press good. Go on stick. And I go ahead and do this for 315 for 30 seconds. 315 for 30 seconds. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload videos weekly, but I haven't been doing it recently because I've been just so busy with everything going on with my daycare and everything. That's my #1 priority. So I will be doing videos once a week, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and that bell so you can be notified when I do more videos. I will be doing a giveaway soon, y'all. Soon. Because we have hit 65,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. So I will be doing a video soon, and I will be giving away gift cards, Amazon gift cards, okay? So stay tuned for that. I was supposed to been did that video. Well, I was supposed to been did the giveaway, but I just haven't had the chance to really focus on going to get the Amazon cards and seeing how much I want. See how that printed, the heat, that line on there, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the same thing it did to my black dress, because it's just the lining of the dress. You can see that heat. So hopefully it'll go away when I wash it. If not, it's just the material of the dress. This is from Walmart. So I put the paper in between. That didn't help. I could have put the I would have used this. It probably would have worked. I can't even think what it's called. Y'all know what it's called. It's just something heat. It's for to protect you in the heat. It's not silicone. It's the kind of I can't think of the name of it. But I could have used that. Maybe that would have worked. Give me suggestions of what y'all do to get those lines out of there, the heat lines from the dresses. So I just went on ahead and let that sit for a little while. But now I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. And that glitter is sparkling, y'all. Let me show you. Look at that. That is too cute. And you see the heat line in there. Doggone it. That really showed really good. The other one, and this is the line that's coming from right here, the seam. That's where it's coming from, the seam of the dress. And that's coming from the bottom of my heat press. I need a new mat on here. So that's coming from right here. It's getting the indentation of this mat I have. Man. So what do y'all do when y'all have issues, when y'all have this problem? It's like something spilled on my dress. It happened to the black one too, but the black one you really can't, I can see it, but you really can't see it. Let me show you. See, like the line, it's not that bad. But right here on the bottom, that's the same thing because of the heat press, like something spilled on it. So, oh well, this is what I got for you. I just wanted to show you how I put this on these dresses. Let me see what material this is, y'all. I know it's my pressure. I just didn't want to fool with the pressure. If I would have used my easy press, it wouldn't have did that. And if I would have brought it up some, it would have did that. But I'm okay with it. 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It was just too much pressure. But it's cool. Like I said, like, subscribe. Please hit that like button if you like the content of this video. And I will be bringing you more videos. I can just wear these around the house. I can wear this around to the store. They're really nice and stretchy. They're really comfy. Feel comfy. But yeah, this is not cool right here. It was like, I think it was like, let me see how much they were. They were, oh, this is not the right price. It was like probably about $7 for these dresses. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that red bell so you can be notified when I do new videos. If you purchase anything below in any of my links, I will get a certain percentage from those without no extra cost to you. But those Amazon links help me buy more things for my page. So if you purchase something, I get a certain percentage and it goes towards my page, my channel, so I can buy material like stuff like this, my vinyl and stuff, so I can show y'all what I do with it and how to create new things. Also, check out my Etsy page. It's Charming Gal Boutique, Charming Gal Boutique #2 all together. I do have some sales going on now. I have free shipping for some of my items. I have so many things on my Etsy page. I love Etsy. It's a really good, a really good place to sell your items. Okay, when you're having a small business, it's a small business. Okay, I think that's it. Check me out. Check my Brown Girl Craft for Cricut Facebook page. Check me out on Etsy, Charming Gal. And I think that's it. Until next time, be blessed.